How to start Snapchat streak. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about starting Snapchat streak. So in order to start our Snapchat streak, which is simple, you need to go ahead and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application first. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Then go to your chat section. You can also go ahead and add a friend you want to start a streak with on Snapchat. Open their conversation or the chat page. And once you're here, you need to send a snap, which can be photo or video, to that friend. Not a chat message, but a snap. Go ahead, take a photo or video, and then send it to that specific person. And your friend must send a snap back within 24 hours. Keep sending snaps back and forth every day within 24 hours to continue the streak. Note that both people need to send at least one snap per day where the chat messages do not count, and after 3 consecutive days, a fire emoji will appear next to the friend's name, showing that the streak has started. Keep it going daily to maintain and increase your streak number. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and start Snapchat streak. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.